Okay, picture this. You've got your snacks, you're settled into your favorite spot on the couch, you are totally ready for the season finale, and nothing. Just a frozen screen staring back at you. If you've ever dealt with a TV that absolutely refuses to load HBO Max, you know exactly how frustrating it is. Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're going to systematically rescue your streaming experience from that dreaded loading screen. We are pulling directly from the tech experts over at Wireless Shack to walk you through a foolproof, step-by-step escalation plan to get your app running smoothly again.
We've got a clear 5-step plan today. Diagnosing the screen, checking for outages, doing a full power reset, reinstalling the app, and finally updating your TV system software. Let's just jump right in.
Step 1. Diagnosing the frozen screen.
As you stare helplessly at your TV, the absolute biggest question echoing in your head is probably just, why on earth is HBO Max stuck? Well, according to our source, the app usually works great, but, just like any complex piece of software running on a smart TV, it can hit unexpected roadblocks. Understanding exactly how it's failing is our very first clue to fixing it.
Wireless Shack has actually cataloged the most common symptoms for this. You might be seeing endless buffering, or maybe a completely frozen screen, or a loading bar that just gives up halfway. Sometimes it's the HBO logo paired with a spinning circle that literally never stops, and other times it's just 3 little dots mocking you from a pitch-black screen. If you're seeing any of these, your app is suffering from a data block or a connection failure. We need to clear it out.
So, moving to step 2, checking for service outages.
This is tier 1 of our tech support escalation, and honestly, the best part is it involves doing absolutely nothing to your television. Before you start ripping cables out of the wall or deleting your apps, we have to verify if the problem is even something you can fix. It's not super common, but HBO Max can experience widespread global outages. To avoid wasting your time, just grab your phone and go to a site like Down Detector. Specifically, downdetector.com/status/HBO Max. If it's down globally, well, all we can do is wait. But if it's up and running for everyone else, it's time to escalate to tier 2.
All right, step 3, full power reset solutions.
If the servers are fine, the problem is definitely local. And guys, there's a massive misconception about fixing smart TV errors. When you hit the power button on your remote, you're usually just putting the TV to sleep. It doesn't actually clear out the bad, corrupted data that's causing HBO Max to freeze. To really fix the problem, you need a full power reset, and that means physically unplugging the television from the wall. This literally forces the system to dump all that temporary data clogging up your app.
And here is the magic number, 60. You must unplug the TV and wait at least 60 seconds. I know, you might be tempted to just unplug it and plug it right back in a second later, but don't do it. Why? Because power can still be hanging around in the TV's capacitors. Think of them like tiny little internal batteries holding onto a charge. Waiting a full 60 seconds ensures they drain completely, which guarantees that bad data is totally wiped from the active memory.
Oh, and while you're standing there waiting, do not forget the router. Wireless Hack points out that routers are so easy to forget about, but they handle literally all the data coming into your home. They get errors too, so apply a full power reset to the router as well. Unplug it, wait, plug it back in, or just hit the physical reset button on the back. Clearing router errors at the exact same time as TV errors is an incredibly effective 1-2 punch.
Step 4. Reinstalling the HBO app.
Okay, so if the power reset didn't do the trick, we escalate to tier 3, tackling software errors. When an app gets corrupted over time, sometimes we just have to wipe it. But wait, big warning right here, before we delete anything. Make sure you have your login details ready. When you completely remove the HBO Max app, all your saved login info goes with it. The absolute worst thing would be fixing the frozen screen, only to realize you have no idea what your password is and you're locked out anyway. So grab your password manager real quick. We all know how annoying a password reset can be.
Got it? Perfect. Here's how we remove the corrupted app. It's super simple. First, navigate to your TV's settings menu. Next, locate HBO Max in your app list and just select Delete or Uninstall from the dropdown. Boom, it is wiped completely from your system.
Now let's bring it back. We need a clean, fresh version of the app. Click your TV's search icon, type in HBO Max, grab the official one from the results, and hit Install. Once it downloads, enter those login details you so carefully saved and test it out to see if we finally broke through that loading screen.
Finally, step 5, updating TV system software.
This is our final troubleshooting step, and we're looking at underlying hardware incompatibilities here. Because you know what? Sometimes the issue isn't even HBO Max, it's the television's actual operating system. TV manufacturers frequently find bugs and send out patches and system updates to fix them. If your auto updates somehow got turned off, you might literally just be missing the one patch designed to solve this exact freezing bug.
To manually force this update, head back into your TV settings, find the support section, and look for software update. If there's one waiting for you, hit update now and let the TV do its thing. It's going to pull down the latest operating system patches straight from the manufacturer.
But wait, here is a critical final tip from Wireless Shack to make sure this actually sticks. After that update finishes installing, you need to power off the TV one more time. This ensures that any residual old data from the previous software version is totally cleared out. It gives your newly patched TV a totally clean slate.